In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change refresh rate on iOS 18. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your refresh rate on any iPhone model that is running iOS 18. So you will be able to customize the refresh rate and make it go to the lowest possible, which should be 60, or make it go higher if you prefer a more fast-paced refresh rate. So all that you have to do is access the settings on any device. So go into the settings and you are looking for the accessibility options. So scroll all the way down until you find accessibility. Inside of accessibility, one of the options under the vision category is going to be motion. So all that you have to do is look for motion under accessibility. Inside of the motion options, you will be able to find the only option related to frame rate or refresh rate on any iPhone. So as you can see, it is labeled limit refresh rate or frame rate. Essentially, it is the same thing. As the name suggests, if this option is enabled, it is going to lock or fix the refresh rate of your screen to 60 Hz. So if you don't like high refresh rates, it discomforts your eyes, then all that you have to do is enable this and it will lock the refresh rate to 60. If this option is off, which is the default, so you don't have to worry if you have never changed this, it is going to automatically adjust the screen, meaning that it can go to upwards of 120 Hz automatically. So if the iPhone notices that you are playing a game or doing some sort of activity or browsing through an app that requires higher refresh rates, it will automatically make it go higher. Now, sadly, there is no option to lock the frame rate to 120. So even though you can lock it to 60 by enabling the option, you will not be able to lock it to 120. The only option that you have is going to be to enable or disable this option, and disabling this will make it so the display will go to upwards of 120 Hz, but you will not be able to lock it there. So it is going to automatically adapt itself to the situation. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on iOS 18. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.